Here we have the Schwamborn DSM450, made in Germany. The 450 is available in both variable speed and fixed speed. Fixed speed being simply for a preparation machine, the variable speed giving the ability to not only do preparation but polishing. There's a multiple position handle. This has been designed with the operator in mind, of various different height operators, comfort, safety. The handle in the upright position there is for loading diamonds. Once again, very portable. We have a pivoting head here, so that's self-leveling. The DSM450 has been designed so that you can remove the grinding head from the handles, making it easy to transport and carry upstairs and lifting in general. So you undo these brackets on the side and slide that back, unlocking the pins. The variable speed machine has a 10 litre water tank with gravity feed ball valve. It gives you the ability to do wet grinding, removing any dangerous silica dust, and also assisting you with the polishing process. Here we have the hour meter, a kilowatt reading to ensure that you're not overloading your machine, being a single phase. Very important to know just how many, just sort of what amperage and kilowatt draw you're putting on your machine. Variable speed. With this model, we also have a safety feature here with the DEADMAN switch. If that's wrapped around your wrist, pull that out, the machine will certainly stop. Make sure that that's pressed in so that you can actually start the machine. Schwamborn have designed a floating skirt. This is made of solid rubber, meaning that you get a good seal to the floor. It's supported by Velcro straps so that it just skims the floor and giving you the best dust control seal. The 450 is a direct drive Planetary machine, belt driven for extra quiet function. The diamonds fit into the Morse taper slots and are tapped in with a lightweight hammer. Talk to all preparation equipment about the best diamonds to suit your Schwamborn machine. So the counter rotation of the Planetary heads to the main drive makes for easy operation. We have a floating device on each Planetary head, giving the best and most efficient method of flattening your floor. So that's the Schwamborn DSM450 Planetary grinder.